Okay, now we're going to start applying some formatting techniques to the worksheet. The main things that we're going to do we've done before in Unit 1, but there are going to be some new things that are introduced. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the theme. So over here on the Home tab, down or at the top right, we're going to click on Themes. We're going to scroll down to the S's and we're going to pick the Solstice. And notice that things have already changed in here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to merge our title and our subtitle cells. So we're going to highlight A1 to J1. We're going to merge and center. Then we're going to do the same thing to the subtitle. A2 to J2, merge and center. Then we're going to apply the title style to both. So go ahead and highlight rows 1 and 2. Apply the title style. Now we just want to select A2 stuff and we want to decrease the font size by 1. So you're going to come up here to decrease font, click it one time because we want to just make it just a little bit smaller so it doesn't look exactly the same as the title. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the background color and apply a box border to the worksheet title and subtitle. So how we're going to do that is we're going to select these two rows. Then we're going to do the fill color. And it's the bucket right here. And the color we want to go ahead and pick is Accent 1, lighter 20%. I'm sorry, lighter 60%. Where is it? There we go. So the second one. Alright, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put a border around it. So just like we kind of did in Word before, we're going to come over here and pop on the Borders button arrow. We want a thick border. And we want the thick box border, so all the way down here at the bottom. Click on that. Then we want to deselect so we can click anywhere. So now you see that we've got the blue and we also have a border around that. Next we want to apply a cell style to the column headings and we want to format those rows. So what we're going to do is we're going to select row 3 basically, A3 to J3. We're going to apply heading 3 style. Then we're going to go ahead and center that. And we're going to go ahead and apply the total styles to A13 all the way to J13. Like I said, we're going to do the total style on that. Then we're going to bold A14 and A16. So just the average, highest, and lowest. We're going to bold that. Then we're going to center the data in the cells. So we're going to select C4 through C6. Oops. I'm sorry, C4 to C16. And we want to go ahead and center that. Then we're going to select E4 to deselect. So the dependents row, or I'm sorry, the dependents column is going to be centered. Next we want to do the accounting number format and comma style. And remember, we used this before. So we're going to go ahead and select E4 through I4. So we only want to do the ones that have pay. Okay? Or actually, money involved. So E4 to I4, and we want to go ahead and hold down the command key and select F13 to I13. So we're going to hold down command and then we want to select these right here. So we have E4 through I4, hold down Command, select F13 to I13. Then we're going to come up here and we're going to apply the accounting number style. Then we want to apply the comma style to E5 through F12. So for the rest of it, basically, I'm sorry, not F12, I12. I don't know why I keep saying the wrong column. Sorry. Then we want to go ahead and apply the comma style to that. Then we're going to select D4 through D16. And we want to apply the comma style to that as well. And notice how it's changing everything. Then we're going to go ahead and apply a currency style with a floating dollar sign. Okay, and I know a lot of you had questions about this floating dollar sign and fixed dollar sign. So we're going to select the range E14 through, E14 through I16. So E14 through I16. We're going to go ahead and then hold down Control, and then we're going to click the cells, or you're going to basically secondary click, and we're going to get that pop-up menu, and we want to choose Format Cells, and then we have this Format Cells box that pops up. Okay, and here we want to go ahead and click the Numbers tab if it's not already checked. Mine's already on that one. We want to click the currency category here, and then it's going to show you a list of things here, and we actually want to click the third style, which is going to be the one with the parentheses and the black, not the red, and then we're going to hit OK. Notice here that it has changed us down there as well. Now we're going to apply the percent style. So we're going to select J4 through J16 because we have the tax percentage. And we're going to go ahead and come up here under Numbers and pick Percentage.